In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Canon PIXMA MegaTank G3270 and other models. So let's get started right away. Make sure it's turned on and we'll go on the screen right there. On the screen, if you do not see these icons, simply start by pressing the home button. Then we need to go down using the arrow keys until you see settings, then press OK. Go down, select device settings, press OK, and then we need to go down in this list until you see over here reset settings, press OK, and we'll have a few choices here. You can factory reset your printer by selecting reset all and pressing OK, but you can also reset only the Wi-Fi settings and only other settings apart the Wi-Fi. So if you want to be more specific and not lose everything, you have these choices. If you want to do a full reset, select reset all, press OK, and then go up and select yes, press OK. It will take about a minute and the printer will be fully factory resetted, and hopefully you'll get rid of your problem if you had one and you're doing this because of that. Thanks for watching. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if it was, and if it wasn't, well, comment as well. I'm always glad to read bad comments. I'll see you in the next video.